Okay, let's learn together how to list the active and inactive state of loaded units. To state the active loaded units, system ctl list dash units. This command will list the active state of loaded units, so let's press enter. As you see now, we have a list for all active units. Also, as you see here, the systemctl list units command listed all units type. We have the device type, we have the mount type, and the path type. And if we press on the space button, we will get the unit service type. As you see here, here is the service unit type. Now let's press Q to quit this list. Now let me clear the screen. Okay, what if I am interested in listing the active service type only? If we want to list the active service type only, we will use the same command. So let me bring the command here, which is systemctl space list dash units. Then I will type -- type equal, then type the unit type, which is service unit. So the -- type equal service will list the active service type only. Now let's press enter. Okay, as you see now, the shown list has the service type only. Okay, now let's press Q to quit this list or to quit from this list. Now let's clear the screen. Okay, now let's list the inactive state of loaded service. I will type the same command, which is systemctl list dash units, and add -- all. The -- all will list the inactive units in addition to active units. Now let's press enter. As you see, we get the active units, and if we press down, we will get the inactive units too. And by that, we get to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in next lesson.